Introducing Food Workshop Part 3. Let's cook! I'll show you how to cook 1:10 ratio rice porridge. Place a teaspoon of rice in a heat-proof container. Add 10 teaspoons of water. Place the heat-proof container in the rice cooker. When the rice is cooked, scoop up the rice and grind it in a mortar. Grind it until no grains are left for babies who have only had breast milk or formula. Add more hot water to dilute the porridge. The porridge is ready when it is potage soup thickness like this. Start with 1 spoonful. Next, I'll grate carrots and cook them the same way as the rice. Mash the carrot cooked in the rice cooker. Add hot water and dilute it. It's ready when it is potage soup thickness like this. I'll explain about freezing baby food. Making a small amount of baby food each time is time-consuming. It is useful to prepare a larger amount of food and freeze it. Put the food in an ice tray and freeze it. Store the frozen food in a freezer bag and keep it in the freezer. It is convenient for storing frozen food such as porridge, vegetables, and fish. They are good for 1 week to 10 days. Frozen food needs to be heated up in a microwave before feeding. Once it is heated up, let it cool to body temperature.